Hello and welcome to your 10-minute meditation to unwind and relax and to end your day in peace. We're going to take it nice and slow and really enjoy this time to ourselves. So just find any comfortable position you like, sitting or lying down. Your arms resting comfortably on your lap or by your sides. You can close your eyes if you like and take a moment to settle in. This is your time and space to unwind and relax, to rest and to begin to let go. So let's begin with a deep breath in. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Fill your lungs. And breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in. Fill your lungs. And as you breathe out, begin to let your body relax. And now just continue to breathe slowly and deeply for a little while, finding your own comfortable rhythm. Letting your exhale be a little bit longer than your inhale. As you breathe, feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Feel the breath flowing in and feel the breath flowing out. Maybe you're already feeling a little bit more removed from the day you've just had. Or maybe not. And that's perfectly okay. Whatever you're feeling right now is all allowed. And it's all okay. Take a moment now to acknowledge how you're feeling. Do you feel comfortable or uncomfortable? Or somewhere in the middle? Are your thoughts busy or quiet? And how are your emotions? Acknowledge how you're feeling. No judgment. Just be interested in yourself, in how you're feeling. And then let's check in with the body. How does your body feel? Bring your attention to the top of your head. And then pass your attention slowly down your body and just notice whatever you find. Pass your attention from your head down to your neck. From your neck to your shoulders. Pass your attention from your shoulders down your arms, through your elbows, your wrists, and into your hands. Be interested in what you find. Then again, come back to your shoulders and just breathe. And pass your attention down to your chest. From your chest, all the way down through your belly to your hips. And then move down your legs, your knees, your ankles, and slowly into your feet. Pause for a moment there. Feel the weight of your feet. Good. And just relax and breathe. And now I invite you to repeat a few simple phrases after me, in your head or out loud, to give this day a sense of positive completion. Let's begin. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the positive moments and the not so positive moments. Thank you for everything that I experienced and all that I learned. Thank you for the people that I shared it with, near or far. Thank you for the rest that awaits me now. I choose to let go of everything that is out of my control. I release all my worries, knowing I have done my best. I allow myself to rest fully and completely. Tomorrow is a new day, and I welcome it with peace. Whenever you're ready, bring your attention back to your breath and to your body. You can wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the air around you, the space that you're in. Take a deep breath in, and then sigh it all the way out. You can stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, you can blink your eyes open. If you enjoyed this meditation, then please meditate with me for 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days. Using this playlist. As I leave you now, I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.